All right, so here's going to be the homework video for 2.3. First one, we've got two separate U substitutions and then just a straightforward anti-power rule. So for my first one, I only have one trig function, so I pick what's inside the trig function, take its derivative. I don't have the correct corresponding coefficient, so I'll divide by 3. And then we just need to know that the antiderivative of negative sign is cosine. For my second one, I only see one e, so I pick its exponent, take the derivative. Again, I do not have that correct coefficient. Sorry, I forgot to write it in for some reason right there. And the antiderivative of e to the u is just e to the u. And so then I write my final answer, putting my x values back inside. Number 3, again, I only see one trig value, so I pick what's inside the trig value, take its derivative. I don't have that correct coefficient, rewrite my integral, and then I need to know that the antiderivative of cosine is sine, and then I rewrite with my original x value back inside. Number 5, once again, I only see one trig value, so I pick what's inside the trig value, take its derivative. I don't have my correct coefficient, so I account for that by dividing by 3, and then we simply need to know that the antiderivative of secant is tangent. And then I rewrite my answer with my x values back inside. Number 9, I don't see two e values, I only see one, so I pick its exponent, take the derivative. Again, I do not have the correct coefficient, rewrite my integral, and then the antiderivative of e to the u is e to the u. And I rewrite my final answer with my x value back inside. Number 11 fits into that category that I described to you. If you see a natural log, pick the natural log. For some people, they may even be recognizing that they have the derivative of the natural log already. So we can go ahead and find our derivative. I don't have the correct coefficient, so I account for that with the 1/2. And then it just is a simple anti-power rule where I add 1 to 1, divide by my new exponent, and rewrite everything in terms of my original u value. All right, hopefully this helps. If there's still some questions though, please feel free to bring it up in class.